All right, welcome back to Where the Doctor Travels. So excited to be back. Today we're going to talk about just a regular hotel review. A lot of times you see online all these fancy hotels that people are on the beach, but not really taking into consideration the regular hotels that people stay in just to visit family, when you're doing a little bit of a staycation, you're traveling for work. So today we're going to review the Townplace Suites in a suburb of Detroit called Troy, Michigan. Went up for a family event, so got a chance to see actually for the second time this same hotel. It was actually a really nice hotel for what we needed. Nice enough that we went back and did it again. So check out the videos and pictures, and we'll be talking about what was good and not so good about the Townplace Suites. Welcome to the two-bedroom suite that opens up into a kitchenette area. The kitchenette goes into the full living area, which was useful and spacious. The bathroom area was okay. The biggest critique was the toilet being really short. Other than that, it met the need. No major problems. I stayed in the bedroom next door. Comfy bed, good blankets. The room outside reflects it, so mirrors it. This is the area that leads to all of the amenities. So there's a laundry room right there, a workout room. The workout room is actually right next to the pool. All of them need key card access. The pool was pretty nice. My nibblings enjoyed it. They also have a hot tub area. Lots of fun, lots of furniture if you just want to sit and watch the kids. So overall, it was a nice pool area. They've got snacks that you can purchase. Awesome. So I hope that you enjoyed that review. I am looking forward to doing more of these along with some of the nicer hotels and travel experiences. If you would like to see more, feel free to comment below, or if there's any other topics, feel free to share with the class. In the meantime, continue having great adventures, and I look forward to seeing you next time.